guys, back to LukeTube. So I'm making a new video reviewing Road to Wrestlemania Trading Cards 2018. So, what we're gonna be it also says here, Road to Wrestlemania 2018 Trading Cards. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be unboxing them, see what cards they have in here. I'm gonna name the people, and then I also have this. It's completely real. It costs like $3,000. It's like pure diamonds here, and like gold all around, and this is rubies, and those are rubies. So, unboxing. I suck at opening things. What? 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 I have to like stop the recording because of... What did I do? And I got some scissors. Okay. So, what we're going to be doing is naming all of them and showing them. So this guy is...
Chad Gable.
Chad Gable. This is him? This is Chad Gable? Fandango. This is Carmella. We have Charlotte Flair. Ric Flair's Chris Jericho. I'm trying to hold these better. We have Randy Orton. We have Goldust. Oh god. Oh god. Wait here, I have an idea. Much better. We have Goldust, and he's sticking up the thumb. He's thumbs upping you. Well, he said The Miz. This is Roman Reigns defeats Undertaker. Says Roman Reigns defeats Undertaker. Roman Reigns defeats
Wrestlemania 33.
Roman Reigns, and this is defeats Undertaker, and this is normally just Roman Reigns, and then it says 4/2/17.
Dallas Page Hall of Fame.
Dallas Page Hall of Fame. I don't know who's that.
Enzo enters the Cruiserweight division. WWE Champion Ginger Mahal defeats... Ugh, give up. WWE Champion Ginger Mahal defeats Shinsuke Nakamura. He won the World Rumble though. Yeah. The Miz and the Miz Taraj defeat the Hardy Boys and Jason Jordan.
Shinsuke Nakamura and Randy Orton defeats Ginger Mahal and
Rusev. These are very current. Neville defeats Akira Tozawa.
Bray Wyatt defeats Randy Orton in a House of Horror match. What's a House of Horror?
It was like Bray Wyatt's haunted house or something. Worth defeats AJ Styles in a ladder match.
Randy Orton leaves the Wyatt family. Since when was Randy Orton even in the Wyatt family? When was Randy Orton in the Wyatt family?
Last year.
What? What's this now?
Ginger Mahal. Luke Gallows and Carl Anderson win the tag team championship.
There's a lot of cards.
42. Team SmackDown defeats Team Raw.
What's Team SmackDown and Team Raw?
American Alpha.
Shinsuke Nakamura makes his WWE debut. What's a debut?
First match.
SmackDown Live.
Yep. Championship. Dean Ambrose defeats Baron Corbin. Rich Swann wins the Cruiserweight Championship.
Who's which one? The New Wyatt family wins the SmackDown Tag Team Championship. Who's in that now? Roman Reigns defeats Kevin Owens in a steel cage match. Isn't that called a Hell in a Cell?
Oh, that's just the cage.
Finn Balor returns to Raw.
Universal Champion Brock Lesnar defeats Samoa Joe. Noam Dar dumps Alicia Fox.
Randy Orton wins the 2017 Royal Rumble match. Wait, is that WrestleMania? Yeah, he's going to WrestleMania. Kevin Owens defeats Chris Jericho for the Untitled Stars Championship?
United States.
AJ Styles defeats Kevin Owens for his second United States Championship.
Baron Corbin wins the Money in the Bank match.
What's the Money in the Bank? Oh.
Samoa Joe wins the Fatal 5-Way Universal Championship #1 contender match.
Chris Jericho defeats Kevin Owens for the United States Championship.
Seth Rollins defeats Triple H.
Who the hell in the cell?
The Brian Kendrick defeats TJP for the Cruiserweight Championship. Chris Jericho wins the United States Championship. And finally, Roman Reigns defeats Rusev for the United States Championship.
To be the end of this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, also comment down below what you want to see. More wrestling reviews, and if you don't do those things, I'll suplex you. Bye!